Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming limits. Measure the display or read the spec so you know the nit ceiling. Once done, identify the exact panel model and connector. This tells you whether a brighter panel or new LED driver will fit. Make sure to source a replacement rated higher in nits, or choose an external monitor with the target brightness. Act now, order the correct part and gather tools, Torx, spudgers, ESD strap, and service manual, because without the right hardware, you cannot increase nits. With parts in hand, power down and unplug, remove the battery and ground yourself to prevent ESD damage. Next, carefully strip the bezel and lift the LCD assembly. Document screw locations and cable orientation with photos. Then disconnect the LVDS or EDP cable and the inverter or LED driver. Replace the backlight strips or the entire panel with the higher nits unit, connecting cables precisely. Tighten mounts gently, because over-tightening can stress the panel. Make sure connectors click, poor contact kills brightness. Reassemble in reverse order, reconnect the battery, and power on to test immediately. Use test patterns or a colorimeter to verify peak nits, and adjust the on-screen display and GPU controls to reach the panel's capability. If brightness is still low, make sure the EDP/LVDS cable and LED driver are compatible. Mismatched wiring or firmware limits can prevent full output. If problems persist, swap the replacement backlight or check the power rail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.